Okay, here we go. We're going to show you what it's like to do an engine on this F-150. So Ryan, take her away. I think it's pretty cool how the body separates from the frame. Take it up a little slowly. Here we go. You always want to double check on these things. You see how the cab was split from the rear deck area, rear tailgate or bed. There's your motor. Kind of never gets old when you're working on stuff like this, right? And see, that gives us a wide open area to get this motor in and out fairly quickly and easily. We can work around all the parts that we need to be that we have to replace or update, hoses, belts, you name it. And of course, when we put it back down, it just drops in and away we go. So here we are doing an engine replacement on this 2010 F-150. Pretty good stuff. Figure to show you on this Friday afternoon. Thanks a lot. Greg Buckley, Buckley's Auto Care. We'll see you later. Bye.